everyone, welcome back to my channel. So since this channel is about like beauty and everything like that, I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys a little bit about what happened to me, my last experience when I got my nails done and how bad they freaking itched. And it's just like a nail salon like horror story. So if you guys are ready to chill, because I'm posting these two videos in one day, I posted 2 videos in one day, just throwing a little extra one at you guys if you guys are bored. It's gonna be very short, so if you guys are prepared to watch it, then just keep on watching. So 2 sets back ago, which probably is 2 months ago, I went to get my nails done at where I always get my nails done, but they did a little bit different. There's 2 guys that work at the salon, and one of the guys that don't normally do my nails did my nails. And you guys, I kid you guys not, I regret it. I just wanted my nails done super quick, and they like let walk-ins go in there and everything, so I just went there. And I mean, I've gone there before like so many times to get my nails done, and nothing ever happened to me. And I normally always get powder, I never get gel polish, because I kind of like feel like it just peels off the gel polish after a while, so I always go with powder so my nails can last a little bit longer. Even though I'm one of those people that after 2 weeks, if I see my nail grow out, I just don't like them and I can't stand them, so I just take it off. I've always had bad luck with nails, like in general, because I always like break a nail the first day or the second day, or just like do so much stuff, because I do like clean, cook, wash clothes, go to work, and like I'm always doing stuff, and I'm not too careful with my hands. So you guys, this last set I had got, my hands were barely healing from the set before, because you guys, kid you guys not, my fingers were so freaking swollen, and they just look like, you can kind of see that they look still a little swollen. I don't know if you guys could see that, but they look a little bit swollen still, and I got allergic reaction from them that day. I don't remember what day it was, so I will insert the set of nails I had right here. And my nails are still freaking peeling. My fingers are still freaking peeling, and they look disgusting. So it is a little TMI, and if you guys don't want to see nasty nails, then don't watch. But you guys, the only thing they did different on my freaking nails was they used a gel polish, and I don't think it could have been the gel polish. I honestly think their supplies that day were not cleaned after whoever they did their nails. Like, can you guys see that? Like, my fingers are peeling, and when I peel it off, it's like so dry, but then when I peel it off, it hurts so freaking bad. So I'm going to show you guys my damn nails, and no, I do not go back to complain, because I always go there, and I'm not going to go back and say anything, because I will be very embarrassed, because literally my nail guy that works there always does my nails so freaking bomb, and this never happens to me. So I'm going to show you guys my nails. Like, I'll probably, look, you guys could see that. I will probably insert, look how disgusting my fingers look. They just looked so tortured, you guys. Look at that. That's disgusting. Like, the workstation I work in, I work there so nobody could see this hand. This one is not as bad. It's like a healing. Look how bad that looks. Disgusting. Like, it just looks so freaking bad, you guys. And literally the day after I took off my nails, my fingers hurt so damn bad. Like, I couldn't even type, but they're getting better now. And I found this online site where they sell press-on, acrylic press-ons, so I'm just gonna get those for now, and they're like $10 to $20. I'm just gonna purchase those and use those, because my fingers, I kid you guys not, like every little paper cut, it's just like starts bleeding, because they're so irritated, and my nails are so skinny. You guys don't even want to know. Like, look how ugly and bad this finger looks. This one. Oh, it just hurts so bad. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's really short. It's like nothing too serious, but it's serious because it freaking hurt like a bitch. But yeah, you guys, be careful where you guys go. And I actually want to check how many ratings this nail salon has, because I honestly always go there, and I don't want to talk shit about them because like all my coworkers go there. But let's see. Sacramento. They have a 2.5 rating on their shit, and I really never like come on here and look, but like their thing looks so professional and so pretty. You know what? I'm just gonna show it, because they got my nails fucked up. Like, they have my nails so fucked up. Like, their nail salon is cute, like, no lie, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to y'all. And they take pictures of like half the nails they do, like the ones I think are cute. They just take like pictures and post them. Like, girl, calm down. Like, let me see if I could find the picture that they have on there. They have a picture, like their nail salon is literally like so freaking cute. Like, why I hate when people post pictures like that. That's their nail salon. It's really pretty. I don't know why it looks like that, but that's how their nail salon looks. It's really pretty. It just, like, you just want to go there. And their work is amazing depending on who you go to. But after this fucking nail infection, I am not going there anymore. Fuck that, you guys. Like, what would you guys do? Would you guys go back and complain? Because there is a nail guy that does my nails and this never happened to me. And I honestly love his work. Like, his sets be on fleek. But that day he wasn't there and I just wanted to get my nails done. Maybe that's my fault for being a pendeja, but you guys, let me know what you guys would do. Like I said, this is just a little extra throw in there for you guys if you guys are bored, and I'm bored, so I just decided to come on here. And I literally just washed my whole face. I'm not trying to put any makeup on, and I probably look scary, but let me let you guys go because I have so many things to do tomorrow. And it's my birthday weekend, so I'm like so freaking excited. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber and you're an OG, welcome back, girl. What's up? Thank you for supporting yet another video. But other than that, I'm gonna let you guys go.